Now I'm going to make some changes in our previous model that I've generated. Um, Initially, I will disable the preview for this model. As you can see, when I disable the preview for custom preview, it doesn't affect the model. So what I'm going to do is right click on it and deselect render. So you can see that the model will be disappeared. But now I'm going to enable it, and then I am going to enable these two map surface. I can easily just right click on it and enable preview, and also for this one. So what I'm going to do right now is I would like to project this lower circles and the circles and lower surface to be projected in the upper surface. So for this, um, I will make a copy of the upper surface. As you can remember, I can just easily make a copy of this by dragging this component and press Alt while I'm dragging it. So I drag it and press Alt key, and then use these circles for this to project this on the upper surface. So this is what happened. At this point, I would like to have uh, this new generated circles. I would like them to be smaller than this inner circles. So I can easily change this radius. I will change it to x divided by 3 and change this one to x divided by 2. So our new generated circles are smaller than the previous one. Now I'm going to use Intwine to add another branch. As you remember, Intwine flatten and combine a collection of data streams. So now that I have 3 branch, I will use this to flat this curves and to see what happened. So the result will be the loft will happen between these 3 branches, from this to the second branch and then the third branch. That's a loft happened. Also, there is interesting option in loft that when I right click on it, it says that I can close loft. When I enable this option, we will see that these branches, these curves will be closed by loft like this. So at this stage, I'm going to create mesh in Rhino. So I will bake this live. In order to do this, I can right click in it and select bake. At this moment, I would like to generate the smaller ad group as a group. I can specify the layers when I'm going to create mesh. And now what I have is a mesh in Rhino that I can export it to V-Ray 3D Max or using Corona 3D Max or other render engines to present it in our projects. So our model is as baked in Rhino. While this model was in Grasshopper, it didn't take any volume of my computer, but now that it's in Mesh, it has it take more space. Now, for example, if I save it as another Rhino file, it will take lots of space. That's why we prefer to not bake it until until the end. Yeah, it has 441 poly surfaces, and the volume will be, the space will be 310 megabytes, so it's a lot, and I prefer to delete it at this point. So I will save it like this and put it in the Google Drive file. -6, yes, and separately save this one.